Be who you are. Be who you are and say what you feel. Because those who mind don't matter, and those who matter don't mind. Dreams can come true. They've promised that dreams can come true, but forgot to mention that nightmares are dreams too. Deserve me and my best. I am selfish, impatient, and a little insecure. I make mistakes. I am out of control and at times hard to handle. But if you can't handle me and my worst, then you sure as hell don't deserve me and my best. Only love. There are 4 questions of value in life. What is scared? Of what is the spirit made? What is worth living for? And what is worth dying for? The answer to each is the same. Only love. Pain and suffering is the key. Without pain, there would be no suffering. Without suffering, we would never learn from our mistakes. To make it right, pain and suffering is the key to all windows. Without it, there is no way of life.